Polydactyly is a genetic condition that causes animals to be born with extra fingers or toes. In this diagram, you can see that the hand has an extra finger. There are 6 digits instead of the usual 5. We can call this a limb difference, and sometimes, but not always, the extra fingers or toes may be removed if they're troublesome. Polydactyly is caused by a dominant allele. It's a fairly common genetic condition that runs in families because the allele is dominant. Therefore, the genotypes of people with polydactyly are either homozygous dominant or heterozygous. Because it's caused by a dominant allele, only one dominant allele is needed for the person to have polydactyly. So how can we predict the possibility of inheriting polydactyly? If one parent has 2 dominant alleles, all of their offspring will have polydactyly. So in this genetic cross, it will be this parent that has the polydactyly because they have homozygous dominant alleles. In this example, the other parent is homozygous recessive. In this genetic cross, every single one of the offspring will have a dominant allele and therefore they will have polydactyly. What about if one of these dominant alleles was recessive instead? If just one parent has polydactyly and they are heterozygous, there's a 50% chance their offspring will have polydactyly. So in this example, this parent has polydactyly because they have one dominant allele. The other parent is homozygous recessive. When we fill out this genetic cross, we end up with this ratio of genotypes. You can see that 50% will have the dominant allele, so there's a 50% probability of the offspring having polydactyly. So what if both parents are heterozygous? If both parents are heterozygous, there's a 3 in 4 chance that their offspring has polydactyly. So we have the heterozygous parents in this Punnett square. Both parents will have polydactyly because both of them have the dominant D allele. Okay, so let's fill in the expected genotypes for the offspring of this pairing. So in this example of heterozygous parents, you can see that 3 out of the 4 expected genotypes for offspring have that dominant D allele. Because of this, there is a 3/4 or 75% probability that the offspring of these parents will have polydactyly. For the exam, you should be able to complete Punnett square diagrams like this one to show the probability of inheriting genetic disorders like polydactyly when given the genotypes of the parents or by using a family tree.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy to follow videos and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Biology course. See you there!